It's a common misconception that you can directly earn substantial money just by watching YouTube videos. Most schemes you'll find that promise substantial earnings for watching videos are not legitimate, and they often involve low pay rates, unrealistic viewing requirements, or potential scams. However, there are ways you can indirectly earn money associated with watching YouTube videos, but these typically require some additional actions or skills beyond just watching the videos. Here are a few possibilities. Video reviewer or analyst. Some businesses hire people to review, analyze, or categorize videos. For instance, you could be hired to watch videos for quality control, moderation, or tagging purposes. Transcription services. Some businesses need accurate transcriptions of their video content. Watching videos and creating transcripts can be a legitimate way to earn money. Market research. You could offer your services as a market researcher, watching YouTube videos to understand trends, audience behavior, or competitor strategies. Become a React channel. You could create a YouTube channel where you react to other people's content, although note that this may have copyright implications that you need to manage carefully. Learning and implementing new skills. There are many educational videos on YouTube that can help you learn new skills, like SEO, graphic design, coding, etc., that you could use to earn money. Investment research. Financial analysts often use YouTube as a research tool. For instance, you could watch interviews with CEOs or earnings calls to gather insights, then use that information to make better investing decisions. Remember, while there might be ways to earn a little money on the side, there's no get-rich-quick method that involves just watching YouTube videos. Successful strategies typically involve learning from the videos and then taking action based on that knowledge.